Page 13 of 15, creating bombs. To make the game more difficult, we want to create additional bombs while playing the game. We can create a new object to do this, but we can as well use the music object for this. So reopen the music object by double-clicking on it. So under objects, we're going to double-click on music. To create the bombs, we will use alarm clocks. You can set these clocks to a particular value, and they will then tick down to 0. Once they reach 0, an alarm event will happen. To initialize the alarm, go to Main tab 2 and drag the top left action with the clock image to the action list below the sound. As number of steps, indicate a value of 60. A second is 30 steps, so we want to add a new bomb every 2 seconds. Make sure alarm 0 is selected. Now press Add Event, click on the alarm event, and select in the menu Alarm 0. Go to Main tab 1 and drag the top left action in the action list, which is the light bulb. Click on the menu icon and select the bomb object. There is no need to set a position, as the bomb will anyway jump to a random position. Next, we must set the alarm clock again. So add the alarm action from Main tab 1. From Main tab 2. There we go. And set the alarm 0 to 60 again. So number of steps, 60. So this will repeat the process. So the action list now looks as follows. Close the object form, save the game, and run it. You should see more and more bombs appearing, and eventually you will click on one of them and the game will end. Okay, so you can see it initially starts off with the 2 initial bombs that I created in the room, and it does put them to a random location. As time increased, more and more bombs appeared. Even though you know how to play the game, someone else might not. So you should provide some help for the player. This is very easy in GameMaker. Double-click on the game information at the bottom of the list. A simple editor will appear. Here you can type a little help text, give your game a name, and describe what the goal is. You can choose different fonts, colors, and styles. Once you're ready, press the green check mark at the top left and close the form. So what we can always do is we can go back to the beginning. So what we can do is we can actually copy, Control C, go into game information, click here, Control V as in Victor. So we have now added the short description. Like they said, you could always change the font. I know Arial Black is pretty bold and easy to read. You can increase the size. You can make it bold. You can always change the text color. So you can always do like a dark color. You can also change the background to maybe make it like a lighter color. And when you're done, you can go ahead and click the check mark. So it says now you can run the game and press F1, the help text will appear. So if I go ahead and run the game, if I hit F1, you'll see that this has appeared. If I hit escape, it goes away. Okay, so that is your game. Go ahead and click on save, and you are officially done with your game.